Good day everyone, this is Basic Math Gaming. For our daily maths number 4, this is our problem. Simplify 2x cubed y squared c times 3x squared yz raised to 4. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung previous video ko about the laws of exponent, I highly suggest na panoorin nyo para mas madali nyo maintindihan ang topic na ito. So, this topic is all about the product rule. Sa product rule, when multiplying powers with same base, let's say we have a raised to n times a raised to m, all we need to do is to keep the base, which is a, and add the exponent. So in this case, we will add n plus m. So this is the answer for this example. Okay? So now let us apply it to the problem. So we have 2x cubed y squared c. Take note that c has an exponent of 1. Okay? Times 3x squared y raised to 1 c raised to 4. Okay? So now, first thing is to look for the numerical coefficient. Ang numerical coefficient is 2 and 3, which is greater than 1. So we need first to multiply the numerical coefficient. Okay? So 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? And then, apply the product rule for the same base, multiplying same base. So in this case, we have x, and then add their exponent. The exponent is 3 and 2. Okay? Followed by y. So copy y or keep y, and then add the exponent, which is 2 plus 1. And then, next is the variable c. Copy the variable c, and then add their exponent, 1 plus 4. And then, simplify. So, it is equal to 6x, 3 plus 2 is 5, and then followed by y, 2 plus 1 is 3, and then followed by c, 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay? So, this is now our answer. So, based on our problem, the answer is A. Okay, so yun lang. Sana naintindihan nyo. So, kung meron kayong friends na mahilig sa math, i-share nyo to sa kanila. Follow for more.